these are the various organs which are present in human excretory system. How they get the blood? They need to get the blood into them for the purpose of purification. So, for the purpose of purification, they get the blood through the arteries which are reaching near the kidneys. So, it has the renal vein and the renal artery. It has renal vein and the renal arteries which are reaching in the kidneys. So, renal artery and renal vein. So, one is renal means related with kidney. So, one is renal artery and the other is renal vein, which are bifurcated with the help of the superior and the inferior vena cavas. So, these two are the superior and inferior vena cavas which take the blood towards the heart, which we have studied. So, these two are the superior and the inferior vena cavas. Because from the abdominal parts of the body, inferior vena cava collects the blood towards the heart. So, this inferior vena cavas, the branches of inferior vena cavas are there, which they get the blood into the kidneys. Inside the kidneys, this blood gets purified, and after purification, the urine is prepared, and this urine is sent through the ureters in the urinary bladder. It is stored in the urinary bladder till its capacity, and then after the capacity of urinary bladder is full, then the human beings get the sensation of urination, and then the urine is given out through the urethra. So, this is how actually the purification of blood takes place in human excretory system. What they do, in the human excretory system, the blood is brought into the kidneys through the renal artery, which has a waste, nitrogenous waste into it. Then that blood enters in both the kidneys, which has a filtration device into it, and that filtration device is called as nephron. The functional unit of kidney is called as nephron. So, here inside it, the pyramidal shaped structures are present, and these pyramidal shaped structures have the nephrons into them, and these nephrons are the functional unit of kidney, which actually brings about the filtration of urine in the kidneys. So, this is how the filtration of blood takes place and urine formation takes place in the nephron. How and what we are going to study in our coming sessions. So, first you just remember that nephrons are present in the kidney, and these nephrons brings about the filtration of blood, and blood is purified, it is separated from the nitrogenous waste and water, and these nitrogenous wastes are further collected into the ureters, and through the ureters they are brought into the urinary bladder, and then they are given out of the body through the urethra. So, this is how the structure and function of the human excretory system is seen. So, we will revise it one more time. It has pair of kidneys, okay, one pair of kidney, then it has the ureters, then it has urinary bladder, and then it has urethra. So these are the organs which are involved in the process of human excretion. And the urine formation takes place in the kidneys. Inside the kidneys, the functional unit of kidney is present, which is called as nephron. And this nephron brings about the filtration process of the blood. And then the urine formation takes place in the kidneys. So this blood from the small intestine, the blood is brought into both the kidneys with the help of inferior vena cava, and then it also takes it back towards the heart. So this inferior vena cava has the branches as renal artery and renal vein. So this renal artery brings the blood from small intestine into the kidneys, and then it is taken back to the heart with the help of inferior vena cava. So this is how the process of filtration and process of formation of urine takes place in human excretory system. And the process of removal of urine from the human body is called as urination. So through the urination process, this urine, nitrogenous waste, is given out of the body of human beings. So I hope you understood how to draw the human excretory system and what are the different functions of the organs involved in human excretory system. One more time we will revise it, the different functions of human excretory system. One by one we will see. First is kidney. Kidneys are pear-shaped organs which are situated either sides of the backbone, and they perform the function of filtration of blood for the formation of urine. Okay, so urine formation takes place inside both the kidneys. Then second is ureters. These ureters are long tube-like extensions which go down from the kidneys and get connected to urinary bladder, and they get the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder, long tube-like structures. Then we will see about urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a small pouch-like structure which is a muscular organ, and this muscular organ is very elastic in nature. So it stores the urine for a specific period of time, and then after certain time, through the opening to the urinary bladder called as urethra, the urine is given out, is expelled out of the body of human being, and this process is called as urination. And this is how the total process of human excretion takes place in human body. I hope you understood today's session. In our next session, we are going to learn in detail about the filtration process of urine. We are going to study the structure of each nephron, and we are going to study how actually the filtration process takes place in the nephron of the kidney. So till today we have learned the excretion in plants, and we have started with excretion in human beings. I hope you understood today's topic. With the new topic and the new points we are going to see, I am going to see you tomorrow. Thank you.